Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make black bean sauce from scratch. Begin by rinsing fermented black beans and soaking for a few minutes, then drain. Heat oil until shimmering and fry minced garlic and ginger for aroma. Mash the beans lightly, add soy sauce, a pinch of sugar, and 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with water to thicken. Simmer gently until glossy and taste for balance before serving. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a pan over medium heat. Add minced garlic and grated ginger, stirring until fragrant but not browned. Toss in the drained, lightly mashed fermented black beans and let them bloom in the oil for richer umami. Stir in 2 tablespoons soy sauce and a small pinch of sugar, then whisk in a cornstarch slurry to thicken. Simmer briefly and adjust seasoning to taste. Serve black bean sauce hot over stir-fried vegetables, noodles, or grilled proteins for an instant flavor boost. If you have leftovers, cool quickly and refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 4 days. When reheating, warm gently and add a splash of water to loosen texture and keep the sauce glossy. Taste and correct salt or sweetness before serving to maintain the perfect balance every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.